Hi guys, I'm Simon, your digital expert online. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when my next video goes live. Now I'm here to help you grow your online business and giving you loads of tips, tricks and ideas along the way, and to help you take advantage of the growing digital economy. Right, let's get stuck in. So what is passive income anyway? I hear so many people talking about it. Well, I'm here in this video to help clear things up and explain how you can generate multiple income streams and free up time in the process. According to Wikipedia, passive income is income resulting from cash flow received on a regular basis, requiring minimal to no effort by the recipient to maintain it. The important point here is maintain, because it does take some time and effort to manage. So the main difference I'd just like to explain with passive income versus active income is that with passive, you get paid over and over again for the work and labour that you did once. Whereas in an active job, you end up getting paid for sort of continuous work or tasks that you complete sort of every day, either sort of on an hourly rate or in the form of a salary. There are ways of working actively at home, for example, like a virtual assistant, where they would still be sort of clocking in all the hours that they're doing. The main thing here is that we essentially want to be working smarter, not harder, and creating multiple income streams is the way to do it. One of the things that most of us want to do is free up time and potentially get paid whilst we're sleeping. To illustrate the importance of this point, I'd like to recommend a book by Robert Kiyosaki called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And in that book, he explains how vitally important it is to be leveraging so many income streams and building up your assets whilst reducing your liabilities and essentially creating income whilst you sleep. I really recommend this book, and you can probably get an audiobook of it as well if you haven't got time to be reading. The beauty of passive income streams is that for all the hard work and effort that you put in the initial setup, what you essentially do is make the whole process a lot more automated. So you get people in through a sales funnel. I'm going to do another video on how to create a sales funnel. They can click through and download your content, whether it's like a product or service. One tip I would just like to give, as it's really important, is whatever it is that you're selling, whether it's a product or service, something that's downloadable, an online course, it's really important to enjoy what it is that you're going to be setting up. So you must have that sort of energy and enthusiasm for your business, because that will come across and you'll put in that extra time and effort because you really enjoy building that business. So really, I'd just like to share a couple of examples of kind of what that looks like. Now, if you're one of these people who's watching this, and let's just say, for example, that you say, but I'm an IT technician, what sort of possible value can I bring to starting an online business? You know, I wouldn't even know where to start. Well, the first thing to do is just decide and have a little brainstorm about what it is you're really interested in, what you're passionate about. So let's just say that you're really interested in baking. You think that you could have a go at creating a series of sort of step-by-step videos on how to do bread baking. What you do with that information is that you put it all together, you go through the whole editing process. You could sell that as a course. Udemy is a really great platform for that. I'm going to post a link below so you can just have a browse around. And you know, some of the courses go on there for like $8.99, you know, like £10 or something. And that is a really good way of getting sort of steady passive income, because once you have completed that work once, you then get the sort of commissions from that product or service being downloaded. Is absolutely fantastic. Another example, if you are a personal trainer and you are mainly involved obviously in the sort of physical activity of training regimes and everything, but what is missing is maybe like a food prep plan or something. So one easy way would be to create some sort of downloadable document where you can sort of list and categorize a PDF where people can see how to do all their meal preps for the week, and maybe include some sort of nutrition and dietary advice as well. And you could sell that even if it was only sort of £4 or £5. Let's not forget that not everything is going to be sort of a really sort of high ticket sale to start with, but Once you get confident and you get good at building these small income streams to start with, it's going to generate confidence, and it's going to help you to scale quickly and grow all the other income streams. So let's just say you've got some sort of plan or some PDF document and you sell it for £10. You sell one a week. That's like another 500 quid in your back pocket for the year. After you've done the initial work, you haven't had to do anything else. So my question is, why don't more people do this? And number one is that people fail to make a decision on what it is they're going to be setting up. And what tends to happen is that you can overthink and procrastinate and think to yourself, one day I'll do that, one day I'll have a go at doing that. That one day never comes. You spend all your time thinking about it and then never actually commit to putting pen to paper, actually get started with recording some content. The second reason is commitment. A lot of people will start something and they won't finish it because of the obstacles that come in the way, and they give up quite easily. It's quite a long process, but once you've committed to it and you can visualize and see the end product, it really is worth it. So guys, I hope that kind of clears up what passive income is. I really wish you all the very best at getting started with whatever project that you feel that you're going to get started with. Okay, so that's it from me today, guys. I really hope that you got some value out of that. Please post any comments below. I'm always up for feedback, and I will get back to you if you have any questions about what we've just been talking about today. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I do post videos every week. They go live every Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.